Hello everyone, this is class 43 on subject income tax 2. In today's class, we are going to solve one 15 marks question which was appeared in Rani Channamma University under section C in the year 2017. And the question is, the gross total income of Mr. Jagannath for the assessment year 2021 is rupees 20 lakhs. He has made the following donations. Calculate deduction under section 80G. First, National Defence Fund rupees 50,000. Second, Karnataka University Institute of National Eminence rupees 20,000. District Literacy Committee rupees 40,000. National Blood Transfusion Council rupees 20,000. Prime Minister's National Relief Fund rupees 40,000. Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust rupees 50,000. Government for Family Planning rupees 1 lakh and approved charitable institution rupees 1,20,000. So Mr. Jagannath has made the following donations and we are given gross total income of Mr. Jagannath. With this information, we are asked to compute deduction under section 80G. First, we should check the list and we have to mark which donation comes under which limit. For example, National Defence Fund comes under no limit 100% donation. Karnataka University, that is Institute for National Eminence, no limit 100% donation. District Literacy Committee, National Blood Transfusion Council, PM's National Relief Fund, that is first 5 comes under no limit 100% donations, wherein 6th one comes under no limit 50% donation or deduction, and Government for Family Planning comes under with limit 100% donation or deduction, and 8th one approved charitable institution with limit 50% deduction. So before you solve the sum, always mark the point or mark the donation under which limit it comes, whether it comes in no limit 100% deduction, no limit 50% deduction, with limit 100% deduction, or with limit 50% deduction. In the previous classes, we have seen the list of such deductions, that is no limit and with limit 100% as well as 50% deduction. So as we have discussed, first 5 comes under no limit 100% donation. Let us start solving. A, no limit donations which are 100% qualified for deduction. Let us take one by one. First one, National Defence Fund. National Defence Fund. National Defence Fund, the amount contributed is 50,000. Coming to next one, second, Karnataka University. Karnataka University, and the amount contributed or donated is 20,000 rupees. Third one, that is to District Literacy Committee. District Literacy Committee, and he has contributed 40,000 in the form of donation. Coming to next, National Blood Transfusion Council. He has donated to National Blood Transfusion Council, and the amount donated is rupees 20,000. And the last point under no limit 100% donation is Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. National Relief Fund, and in Prime Minister's National Relief Fund he has donated 40,000. As these donations are no limit donation with 100% qualifying amount as deduction, we just have to total these donations and take the total amount to outer column, because there is no limit for donation and they are 100% deductible. So 50, 70, 1,10,000, 1,30,000, 1,70,000 is the total amount of no limit 100% donations that are made by Mr. Jagannath in the assessment year 2021. So we are taking total amount at 1,70,000. Now coming to next, that is B. No limit donation but allowed at 50%. No limit donation but which are allowed at 50%, and in that there is only one point, that is Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund. Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund. And what is the amount that is contributed in Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund? It is 50,000. So 50,000 is the amount which is donated, but what percentage is qualified for deduction? It is 50%. So 50% of 50,000 comes to rupees 25,000. I hope you are understanding this. These A, that is earlier deductions, are no limit donations with 100% qualifying for deduction. So we have taken directly 1,70,000 outer column because this is entirely qualified for deduction 100%. In case of B, there is no limit for donation, but whatever amount you donate, only 50% is qualified for deduction. Therefore 50,000 rupees is donated to Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund. Out of that, only 25,000 is qualified for deduction, as we have to take only 50% of the contributed amount. Coming to next, with limit donations. Now with limit donations. Under with limit donation, we are given here this Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund is done. Now government for family planning. First one, government for family planning. Government for family planning. The amount contributed by Jagannath for government for family planning is 1 lakh. After that, the second point is to approved charitable institution. Approved charitable institution and the amount is rupees 1,20,000. We have to focus more on these with limit donation because we have to work on a working note as well as we have to give effect of the adjustment or adjusted gross total income for this point. So whenever we are solving the sum, no limit donation will be solved easily, that is 100% and 50%, but when it comes to with limit donations we have to be very careful while solving the sum. Now we have to find the qualifying amount. We have to find the qualifying amount. First we will total it. The total of this comes to 2,20,000. Total with limit donation is 2,20,000. Now this 2,20,000 or 10% of adjusted gross total income or 10% of adjusted gross total income. Now what is the gross total income? It is given in the question, that is in the first line itself, the gross total income of Mr. Jagannath for the assessment year 2021 is 20 lakh rupees. So 10% of 20 lakh comes to 2 lakh. Total with limit donation or 10% of adjusted GTI, whichever is less, is qualifying amount. So the qualifying amount is 2 lakh. Now you can write it as qualifying amount. Qualifying donations or qualifying amount. So 2 lakh rupees is qualifying amount of with limit donation. Now the next step is, out of this qualifying amount, first we have to remove 100% with limit donations. That is, which is 100% with limit donation? Government for family planning is 100% with limit donation. Government for family planning, in bracket you have to write 100%. What is the amount that is contributed by the Jagannath in government for family planning is rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees is contributed. Directly take this 1 lakh rupees to outer column as it is 100% qualified for deduction. We are taking those amounts to the outer column which are final. Now what is the balance remaining? ₹2 lakh is the qualifying amount. From that we have deducted 1 lakh rupees. The balance remaining is 1 lakh. So this is taken at, that is balance of rupees 1 lakh. Balance of rupees 1 lakh is taken at 50 percentage. Actually, the approved charitable institution amount contributed is 1,20,000, but we should completely ignore that amount because we have to ignore this amount because the qualifying amount is become less now. It is only 2 lakh rupees. That is the reason whatever balance is remaining after deducting it for family planning, which remains only rupees 1 lakh, we have to directly take 50% of 1 lakh. How much it comes? It is 50,000. Now let us find out deduction under section 80G. Deduction under section 80G we have to total this. The total comes to 3,45,000. So 3,45,000 is our final answer. That is deduction under section 80G. Let us revise how we have solved this sum. First, you have to mark the donation which comes under which limit. That is, first 5 comes under no limit 100% donation. So we have taken all no limit 100% donation and total amount directly is taken to outer. Next is 6th one is Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund is no limit donation, but it is 50% qualified. So Indira Gandhi, you take amount and only 50% will be taken to outer column. After that, government for family planning and approved charitable institution, these are with limit donations. Government for family planning is with limit 100% donation, wherein approved charitable institution it is with limit 50% deduction. So first you have to take both the donations, total it, then this total is compared with 10% of adjusted GTI. Whichever is less is the qualifying amount of donation. So 2 lakh is the qualifying amount of donation. This 10% of adjusted GTI, gross total income, is given to us 20 lakh rupees. No adjustment is given, therefore gross total income itself is adjusted gross total income. So 10% of 20 lakh comes to 2 lakh, 2,20,000 or 2 lakh, whichever is less. So the qualifying amount is rupees 2 lakh. Then from this qualifying amount, first we have to deduct family planning, that is which is with limit 100%. He has contributed 1 lakh to government for family planning, which is taken completely at 1 lakh 100%. Then the balance remaining is rupees 1 lakh, which is taken at 50%. Therefore this comes to 1,50,000. Thus, after adding no limit 100% donation, no limit 50% donation, with limit 100 and with limit 50% donation, our final answer comes to 3,45,000. The sum is very easy. You have to pay more attention on with limit donations. Because no limit 100%, no limit 50% donations can be calculated very easily. The techniques are very simple. Only you need to pay more attention for with limit donation, especially this part, that is total of with limit donation or 10% of adjusted GTI, whichever is less. Then we get the qualifying amount. Then from the qualifying amount we have to deduct first the donations which is given for family planning. Remaining amount is taken at 50%. therefore we have to pay more attention on with limit donations. I hope you have understood this sum. Next class we are going to solve one more question paper sum which was appeared in Rani Chennamma University examination.